Hi everyone, we are in Jarrell, Texas. Gonna take a quick look at the downtown. This is one of those towns that people will drive by at 80 miles per hour and never stop. So we're stopping so you don't have to, although why not stop? Got Cougar County Salon, Iglesia Cascade Misa Candoria, Pastor Antonio Lopez. This must have been the old hardware because I see dry goods barely written on the top, so this could have been the hardware store at one point. Got a little cabinet place. You have the husk of the Eagle Bank. Yep. Some interesting graffiti on the wall. And you got a lumber store. Got the fire department right over there. And across the street, we've got Anita's Beauty Salon, which to me looks like it could have been the post office at some point. The little tell is the flagpole. So I've counted 4 beauty salons in this town so far, just about driving around. We got the little Mexican food restaurant, Cantina El Piteo. Honk if you love margaritas. Honk, honk. And here it is, the front. And we got the death trap of the state of Texas, Interstate 35. Get on it at your own risk. And there you have it, guys. This is Jarrell, Texas. Thanks for walking around with me on this short little visit. And remember, you're all dearly loved. Remember that.